Hi everyone, welcome to OFW Wealth TV. Our channel is about financial literacy and general finance, where we talk about the financial tips and strategies. We hope you enjoy our videos. Social media is constantly growing. According to recent statistics from Sprout Social, there are 3.96 billion users across all platforms, and adults worldwide spend over an hour and a half on social media every day. As a result of the increased number of users and usage on social media, these platforms have become a major source of income for many people. Whether you're curious about how to make money on Instagram without selling anything or how to make money on Facebook by writing, you've come to the right place. So, in this video, we will discuss how to use social media to earn money in 2023. Hello, and welcome back to OFW Wealth TV, my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more informative and unique videos. Let's get started. How to make money with social media. One of the most common ways people make money on social media is by being content creators and influencers who feature brands in their posts. One survey revealed that Instagram influencers make $2,970 a month after working less than 30 hours weekly. Thanks to the popularity of online shopping, social commerce has also opened doors for individuals who want to earn using Instagram, Facebook, and other social media platforms. You can use these platforms to sell products and services directly to your target audience. You can also use different social media platforms to make money indirectly by promoting your products and services and driving web traffic to your e-commerce site. As you can see, you have countless opportunities to earn on social media, and different strategies have their earning potential. Here are some ways to earn money using different social media platforms. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to make money on affiliate marketing. 1. Live streams. Live streams are highly versatile, meaning you can use them in different ways to make money on social media. However, earning through this avenue requires a lot of work. For example, on Twitch, the top 1,000 channels get 53% of all viewing time, meaning only a very small minority gets rich by streaming. You can earn money from live streaming by making live shopping videos. This content combines the best of live videos, e-commerce, and social media. They're just like regular live streams, but with added features that enable viewers to shop the products and services they see on the video. You can also use live streams to earn from brand deals and sponsorships. If you have a large following on streaming platforms, say at least 1,000 brands will reach out to you and provide offers. But if you're still starting and don't have that many followers, you need to reach out to brands. Once they agree, you can earn from sponsorships, banners, and other types of ads displayed during your live streams, and sponsored content, like when brands pay you to try and give reviews about their products. 2. Create and sell merch. Do you have a loyal and strong following? If you do, consider using this opportunity to sell branded merchandise. Social media is a cost-effective avenue to sell products, regardless if you want your audience to shop at your e-commerce store or sell directly through various social tools, such as Linkpop. Creating and selling merchandise on social media doesn't require experience. You can outsource everything and let other parties do the hard work on your behalf. All you have to do is market on social media and redirect your audience to a website where they can place their orders. 3. Start a membership program. Virtual events and communities have become a norm after the pandemic. More and more people have become familiar with virtual programs and are willing to enroll in them. Offering membership programs also guarantee recurring revenue, making it easier for you to offer membership program to your audience instead of an annual membership to test the waters. Cast your earnings. Model-turned-fitness coach Alexis Ren offers membership for her mental and fitness community. The program aims to equip women worldwide with healthy relationships with their minds and bodies. The program includes virtual journal classes, dance classes, yoga sessions, and many others. She also schedules regular meet and greets with members near her location. 4. Join an influencer marketing platform. Joining an influencer marketing program is an excellent way of making money on social media. This strategy requires as much or as little time, depending on how much you want to put into it. An influencer marketing program works this way You sign up and make an account on platforms that connect brands with influencers. This approach enables both parties to find each other and work together fast. These programs can be a godsend for small brands and influencers who are still starting in the industry. One of the most popular influencer marketing platforms used today is Shop Your Likes. Once your profile is approved, you'll have access to your performance dashboard and see all the brands for you to promote. Through the app's link generator, you can create a link for any of the brand's pages and share it on your Instagram, Facebook, or other social media platform. You'll get paid every time someone clicks your links. 5. Create sponsored posts. Content is king, which is why businesses use social proof to promote their products and services. You can help them achieve this goal while earning on the side by producing sponsored content. Depending on your preferences, you can write product reviews, promote brands on your social media account, or add backlinks to a brand's website on your content. The amount of money you can make from sponsored posts depends on different factors, such as your niche, reach, and whether your post includes audio, images, and videos. Just make sure to let your audience know that you're offering paid content to avoid misleading them. 6. Become a social media marketer. With the number of people using social media every day, it's no surprise why brands turn to these platforms to market their offerings. If you're equipped with the experience and skills in promoting on social media, use them to earn. To earn as a social media marketer, you need to have in-depth experience in social media content creation, community management, influencer marketing, and lead generation. The more skills you have, the better chances you'll have of earning more. You have different options on how you can set a price structure for your services as a social media marketer. You can charge an hourly rate, set a fixed fee, or package your services. 7. Offer social media coaching or courses. You can create and sell different types of educational services on social media. For example, you can make money from selling coaching services and courses in a specific niche. Take, for example, Ali Abdaal. He's a productive YouTuber with 1.5 million followers. He teaches how to start a YouTube channel as a side project through his part-time YouTuber Academy. His course includes live lectures, online communities, Q&As, and self-paced video content. His business generated $1.3 million in revenue in 2020. To reach the same level of success as other influencers, build a website to showcase your services and customer testimonials. 8. Write Instagram posts. Think beyond your account. Many businesses rely on clever and creative produce high-quality content for them, especially if they can't afford to have an in-house content creation staff. If you're wondering how to make money on Instagram by writing, the answer is simple: by creating and publishing posts on behalf of a business. Since businesses are on the lookout for top-notch writers who know how to develop engaging content, fine-tune your Instagram account to showcase your writing talent. Ensure that your work demonstrates quality. Additionally, put together your portfolio in advance, as businesses will ask to see one before deciding to hire you. Thank you for watching the video, and we hope you like it. We appreciate it if you leave a comment and like. Take care and see you next time. Goodbye.